Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
In number 11, write these sentences in the correct form: present simple positive. Angela be a clever girl. So be verb to be in positive in present simple is are, is. Let's see the answer. So Angela, if you write Angela be a clever girl, it's not correct. Angela are a clever girl, it's not correct. So is. Angela is a clever girl. She can play the piano very well. So as you remember, when we studied verb can, we said that verb can doesn't change with all pronouns. So doesn't take s with he, she, it. So I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can, they can. So let's go to number 3. Richard fly to Madrid every weekend. Richard flies. So we studied in the lessons of present simple, if the verb ends in y and before it we have a consonant, here we have L, so we delete y, or we drop y, and we put or we add ies. Richard flies to Madrid every weekend. And the last example, Tom teach English at university. So Tom teaches. So we don't add just s, we add es because the verb ends with ch. Tom teaches English at university.